AirSim Baby X. The AirSim Baby X is an anatomically correct representation of a 5-month-old baby, suitable for infant airway management teaching and training in direct and video laryngoscopy, oral nasal endotracheal tube insertion, full range of supraglottic airway device insertion, single lung isolation techniques, and also bag valve mask ventilation techniques. This model comes with a 3-year warranty as standard. For more information or to speak with a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com or call 4428 388 2714.